Hi friends, this is FirearmPop, and this is a video response to Brotherskeepers111, his 6,000 sub appreciation giveaway. Well, Brothers Keepers and I go back a long ways, buddies on YouTube here. We've been buddies here a long time here on YouTube, and I don't do many video responses to contests, but I need to support his channel and 6,000 subs. God bless you, my brother. Great achievement. Your channel is worth every one of those. I enjoy all your videos, from your stories of being a police officer to just shooting out in the range. So you always have an interesting twist to put on just plain old shooting at in your backyard. Boy, I wish I could do that up here in the Northeast, but we can't. And hello, kitty. Nice for you to visit. All right, out of my way. You got to do a demo here. Anyway, your contest asked for us to show our EDC knife, our everyday carry knife. And for me, it is what I'm showing right here. It's a Kershaw Tremor. And I really like this knife. It carries in my pocket with a pocket clip. If I need to deploy it, it's that quick. Just really love this knife. It's a great knife. You know, I'm just not a believer in spending a fortune on knives. This is a $20-some-odd knife. If I really lost it, I wouldn't be upset. I'd just replace it. But it's a handy knife to carry, have with you at all times. 1,000,001 usage. Everything from a lanyard hole, okay, the clip, which can be rotated for to carry point side up, and I just love the flipper because I don't have to go to get in there and dig for a thumb stud or dig for a hole. When I need to deploy that knife, it's there. And you can see, even though it's made in China, it's really just a great utility knife. One that serves me well for just cutting my lunch if I need to, or cutting some undesirable things. Anyway, that's my EDC knife, and I really like it. I carry it every day. I don't go any place without it. Okay, that's my story. This is FirearmPop. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.